Created to celebrate 15 years of outstanding performance, Agera, the Swedish verb to act, is used to symbolize everything that Koenigsegg does best. With over 1,000 Newton-meters of torque available from 2,680 to 6,100 RPM, zero fade brakes regardless of track or road conditions, the latest hypercar from Koenigsegg continues the evolutionary approach and tradition to perfect the end result based on previous experience. Also short for the Greek word ageratos, which in ancient Greek means ageless, the original shape of the Koenigsegg CC, created 15 years ago, is still valid today. The Agera stays true to the original philosophy, shape, and size of the original CC. At the same time, it looks, feels, and performs like something belonging to the future.
Roadblock is deployed directly ahead of you.
I've made contact. He has sustained some damage. Roadblock has been tagged. Roadblock. Pursuing officer, be advised. Aerial support incoming.
Spike strip deployed. All units, you are cleared to use spike strip. Spike strip deployed. We are showing. Driver has hit the spike strip. Move into the arrest. Pursuit is headed on depicted path. Detecting an EMP lock signal. Take evasive.
This is aerial pursuit. Hit confirmed. Suspect immobilized.
All units, roadblock in position ahead. Officers have the suspect in custody. This thing is over. Priority situation on Boulder Road. EMP activated, acquiring target lock.
Contact. Roadblock has been set. Roadblock successful. Moving for the bus.
All units, weapon systems are down. Rerouting communications.
I don't think you mess with the SCPD.
All units here clear for 1067. I repeat, spike strips are now authorized.
Aerial pursuit unit, you're cleared to engage. Over.
Officer, The roadblock is deployed directly ahead of you.
Suspect has hit the roadblock. All units move in for the arrest. All units, roadblock in.
Suspect has evaded the spike strip. Repeat, suspect evaded spike strip. Roger that, 1073 approved. Roadblock units deploying directly ahead of you. All units, we are detecting a The suspects are now under arrest. Bring them in for processing. All units, we have a high priority situation on Grand Ocean Road.
Contact.
Detecting an EMP lock signal. Take evasive maneuvers. The roadblock is deployed directly ahead of you.
Suspect has hit the roadblock. All units move in for the arrest. Repeat, move in for the bust. I've made contact. He is...
Spike strip deployed.
Suspect has released the spike strip. All officers, be on guard.
EMP activated, acquiring target lock.
Ticket has been issued. Roadblock patrol units on scene. Let me know where you want them.
All units, local EMP.
Roger that, very pursuit unit engaging. We're on the system.
All units, roadblock in position ahead. Spike strip deployed.
Negative on the stop. Vehicle still mobile.
Spike strip has failed to slow. The target suspect is still on the run.
Roadblock unit dispatch, please advise on target position.
Suspect vehicles have been stopped. Good job, officer. location on Cascade Terrace.
I've made contact.
A roadblock is deployed directly ahead of you.
Roadblock reporting 1050. All units move in. All units, roadblock has failed. Repeat, roadblock failed.
Roger that. Aerial pursuit unit engaging.
Ticket's been issued. That's my 50th ticket today.
All units.
Roadblock patrol units on scene. Let me know where you want them.
Weapons disabled. You are on your own until we can get back online. All units, roadblock in position ahead.
Bikes on the road. All units proceed with caution. Suspect has hit the roadblock. All units, roadblock has been ineffective.
Suspect has evaded the spike strip. Repeat, suspect evaded spike strip. Maintain pursuit.
Suspect has been issued with a warning.
Monitoring spike strip release in your...
All units, roadblock officers ready and waiting for the orders.
Spike strip deployed. We are showing spike strip deployed at your location. Suspect has missed the spike strip. Suspect has missed the spike strip. Better luck next time. Over. Suspect vehicles have been stopped. Good job, officer.